Hi guys. They turned their blind audition into a concert on The Voice Top 10. Alright. The first is Matt Evans sings Need You Tonight by Inks, Australia 2020. Let's go and let's enjoy. Oh, Australia is one of my favorite stages. They are amazing, seriously. All right. It's years that I watch uh, of these videos from all over the world. You know, I don't like to stop to one edition all the time. I try to explore all the time. It's amazing. And I have to say, Australia is one of the best stages, really. Also, the competency of the judges is amazing. And such talents are there as well. Wow. In so many years, I'm watching, especially that I am open to all genres of music, nothing left behind, so I really enjoy. Oh, Erika Franklin, who's this? Kati Kadan, Baby I Love You by Erika Franklin, 2019 USA. Oh, these are some of my favorite judges. Amazing, really. I love them so much. Oh, here is missing Adam Levine, the enemy number one of. Oh, Lara, amazing this lady. The voice stages I most enjoy are USA. They are so funny, really. I absolutely enjoy, and the quality. You know what? Wow, the level is always unbelievable. Oh, Kelly has been blocked here. I think by Blake. I guess. Not sure. That is funny. Amazing this lady. Wow. Such a growl. It's amazing. Who's this? Ain't no party unless Rome's. Ah, I think Germany is this. No, Holland. Dr. Rum. Wow, in The Voice Holland, oh la la. There are always a huge quantity of top level contestants. It's really amazing. But I mean, I watch from all over the world, really. Even Georgia, Ukraine. Oh, mamma mia! The singers from Ukraine and Russia. Oh, amazing, amazing. They are unbelievable. recently I'm watching a song from Mongolia, Kazakhstan. Kazakhstan is one of my favorite because I am a huge fan of Kazakhstan music, starting from Dimash and so many others. But I love this mix from all over the world because you got a lot of surprises you never expect. Amazing singers, wow! Against all those people that they say, "Oh no, we are the best." Simone Morin, Canada, 2015. Come with me now. Oh, guys, why I can't sing? I mean to say, when I was young, yeah, I can. I love so much country music. I like to sing all the repertoire of Neil Young, and then Eduardo Bennato from Italy, and us and few others. Even if I grew up with the ACDC, but I never had that growl, that raw voice for singing metal. I would really, the screaming technique. But I'm crazy that I can't sing. Uh, I really would like to have an amazing voice, but really, it's not in my DNA. Oh, amazing. Nice switch. I have my top favorite singers of all times, but guys, when you watch these videos, you are always I mean to say, you must be prepared because every time comes. Oh, The Voice Italy. Ah, I remember this lady. What's the name? I forgot. Indako. I love it. By Kanye West. Brava, brava. But he did the Italian, in Italian version, adaptation. I have to say, recently also, I'm getting back watching Italian contests. I have to say. Aha. She has been blocked. The problem for Italian singers when they speak English, they sing English, is the pronunciation. But I have to say, every year they're coming out with a closest and better accent. Oh, Russia. And then such peoples coming out from these videos. Is diversity at the top. In Russia, they are amazing musicians as well. Wow, really. Now it's already years I'm watching, also from Russia, from all countries, and I have to say, Russia, Ukraine are amazing, amazing, really. Musicians and singers. Whoa, amazing. Daria Stavrovich, Zumbi by the Cranberries, amazing version. Oxa Oxa Toy by Netta, Germany 2019. There is people sometimes like this guy. They are an amazing stage presence. The look, the way how they sing, the voice, everything is there. You know, I think the world is overpopulated by amazing talents in music. You know what? That's incredible. As a musician and a great passionate about music in general, of course, I'm interested also in the technical part, okay? Support, range, musicality, technique, pitch, whatever. But guys, I'm sorry, I'm Italian. I'm very often Thailand, Taki Taki, amazing. By Selena Gomez. Usually people are. I mean to say there are countries like a bit underrated, in my opinion. Maybe because the people is too much in the UK, in the British American music. But guys, there is people in Asian countries as well, on in South America, that they are unbelievable, really. But unfortunately, they are underrated the most. I'm not sure. Until now, I can't understand really what's the reason. Okay, and, but the most astonished me that the Asian country they watch at the English language as well. You know, when it comes to sing, I mean to say they have like a goal to reach the real success. But this I don't like so much. This I'm not sure. Oh, France, Got Talent. The Voice France, one of my top favorite. Amazing judges and contestants. but still, I'm often disappointed because they sing in English, and I love French. Unfortunately, oh, Mika is there. Mika is shifting always between Italy, France, America, Italy, France, America. He's an amazing singer and character, Mika. Yeah, for example, the contestants from France, The Voice France, they are the closest to Italian. I mean to say, I'm talking as style, passion, that this kind of. I mean to say, Italian also they look a lot to the perfection, but we are much more in the passion, in the soul. That's why also we like so much the oldies, the classics Americans, like Erika Franklin, and so, for the black soul we always liked this. Oh, Led Zeppelin again. Where we are here? Navarone, Netherlands, 2018, Who Lotta Love. I'm not really big fan of Led Zeppelin, I have to say. I'm a big fan of the Brit rocks, okay, of the Brit rock bands, but not especially this kind of rock I like so much. Really, that's the best rock in the history. After AC/DC, sorry to say, guys. For me, AC/DC, I love them so much. Angus Young is my idol. When I worked in UK, I were in Stoke-on-Trent, West Midlands. Only later, a few months, I discovered that Slash, one of my top idols ever on the guitar, he was born in Stoke-on-Trent. I say, oh, seriously? I felt something, you know what? Mamma mia, amazing. Doesn't get me a lot the voice of this guy, but at least to have this voice, wow, I would be the happiest man in the world. Such a voice. All right, guys, I enjoyed this. See you next. I like to upload again, but after twice, I closed twice the YouTube channel of my video reactions because I've got unimaginable, unexpected strikes and claims of even from the most unknown artists that I react to. I mean to say, looks that really they don't like people reacting, they don't like the appreciation, of us. So I've decided, okay, I like to restart, but no video, no audio, nothing. So I will only put the links of the video in YouTube finish. I'm totally disappointed, guys, really. And I don't like to stop every 5 minutes to avoid, because they will catch you. If they want, it happened to me. Even stopping, they catch you anyway if they want. You know what? It happened to me. They closed me the channel twice. They close me 3 times, I can't anymore. I don't like, because I have 2 YouTube channels for my own sake, and for my family, for my friends. I don't care. So you know what? But I miss. I have to tell you guys, I miss the video reaction to, from singers from all over the world, So, but this time I can't risk anymore, really, because I really don't like to stop the video. All right, guys. Bye. Ciao. Stay safe all. Bye.